Let me share with you the inspiring story of Peter Hull, the armless swimmer. The actual swimming footage appears at the end. Peter Hull was born in the UK without arms. As a child, he felt lonely, struggling to fit in. But at the age of 10, he discovered swimming. In the water, he was free. The water embraced him, and he became a fast and graceful swimmer. He made friends at the pool and realized his own potential. At 20, Peter competed in his first disability swimming competition. He finished last, but he didn't quit. He practiced tirelessly, mastering the technique of steering with his head and generating speed with the stubs of his arms. He overcame challenges with fierce determination. In 1988, he represented Great Britain at the Seoul Paralympic Games. In 1991, he was honored with the MBE by the British royal family for his achievements. But his proudest moment came in 1992 at the Barcelona Paralympics, where he set world records and won 3 gold medals. Peter Hull's victory wasn't just about medals, it was a testament to courage and resilience. Without arms or legs, he swam freer than anyone else. And he said, "I feel as free as a bird." His story still whispers to us today. Push past your limits, never give up, swim through life freely. Don't forget to subscribe and like to watch Peter's actual swimming footage.
And the Dreamer.The state stands for Ricky Farmer's now under pressure. Silver medal for Sydney, silver medalist at the World Championships. He's then 4.82 to qualify for the BBC Paralympic. But look at this man, lane number 5, what they call world record last night. His world record stands at 32.59. He can say that is Richard fly. And if that time's confirmed at 32.52, could be another new world record for Igor Plotnikov.